Hi guys, so this is the Vestaboard Note. The Vestaboard Note is a mechanical smart messaging display. You control it from your phone or computer. You can do it from anywhere in the world. And the Note is actually just one of these sections. You can put all of these together to make as big of a size as you'd like. You can make any kind of orientation. And the Note allows for you to do custom messages, live sports scores, weather updates, stock tickers. We also have an open API that allows you to integrate with any third-party platform that you'd like, including CRMs, POS systems, and restaurants. The Note retails for $9.99. It is all completely modular, so the only maintenance you'd ever need to do is potentially swap one of these in and out like an ink cartridge in a printer. But these are supposed to run millions and millions of times without failure, so we rarely see that very often. It's going to have letters A through Z, numbers 0 to 9, 8 colors, and then basic symbols, as well as a heart emoji. So you can really make it say whatever. But yeah, this is the Vestaboard Note. And you can find us at vestaboard.com.